For this lesson, we will continue to use the FSAE steering wheel render file. Let's look at using the appearance overrides in Fusion 360 rendering. To open the appearance dialog, just select the icon in the toolbar or press the A key. We have the option inside of Fusion 360 to apply appearance overrides to bodies or components, or to individual faces. There are many cases where applying a texture to an individual face is highly desirable. The In This Design portion of the library is a collection of materials that are already used in this file. We have the option to remove any of these. We can right-click to unassign and delete the appearance override, but before doing that, perhaps we want to select the objects that the appearance is applied to. If the unassign option isn't present, that means the override is not currently applied to any object in the design. This helps to sort out what appearances are used and what ones are not. You can also right-click and select Delete All Unused, but for now we can leave the current options alone. For this design, I'd like to apply a carbon fiber material to the plate. In the library, I'll navigate to the Other folder. That's where we'll find that there's a carbon fiber folder that we can expand. And there are two different options for carbon fiber. There's a carbon fiber twill, and I see that the carbon fiber twill is not currently downloaded, so I'll select the arrow to install it into Fusion 360. Then we can click and drag the carbon fiber plane over the existing orange appearance override, or I can drag it directly to the bodies that I want to update. The decision really rests on how many objects are using that appearance override, as we'll see in a moment. The appearance of the carbon fiber is very good, but it's important to remember that we're just looking at a preview, not a rendering. Now I'd like to find another appearance override, so I'll minimize the other folder and navigate to the wood folder. I will find the bamboo light semi-gloss appearance, and I can drag it onto the individual grips, or I can drag it onto the appearance that the grips currently display and update all four bodies at once. Whether or not I would actually like to use bamboo is questionable, but for now, we're just trying to explore the options for rendering. With the appearance of the model updated, let's close the appearance dialog and save the design.